Hello and welcome to the ISID YouTube channel. Institute for Studies in Industrial Development, ISID, a sponsored institution of the Indian Council of Social Science Research, is a policy research institute with its focus on industry and industrial transformation. Over the years, ISID has built its own online database of newspaper clippings and index of articles published in Indian social science journals. The institute started monitoring the Indian press and building its press clippings database in 1990-91. It also started indexing all major social science journals from their inception. Today, the ISID online database includes more than 21 lakh clippings from 15 news dailies and indexing of articles of 252 Indian social science journals. Since mid-2000, images of the news clippings are also available at the click of a button. Here is a short demonstration of the extremely user-friendly database available to research scholars and institutions through the UGC InfiniteNet Digital Library Consortium since 2008-09, now known as eShodh Sindhu, a consortium for higher education electronic resources, an initiative by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. The home page of the ISID database looks like this. On the left is online index and the right other research references. Under the online index on the left, there is social science journals and press clippings. For our demonstration, let us start with social science journals by clicking on it. The moment we click on it, you see all the 252 social science journals covered under the ISID database, lifted alphabetically, and they're all selected right now. You can unselect them by clicking on this button and select the specific ones you're interested in by clicking on the boxes next to the journal name. For demonstration, let us select all and continue. The moment you continue, you come to the search page, whereas there's the keyword search and the author search. Under the keyword search, we can give the keyword of what we are searching for. Say, for this demonstration, we use bank and nationalization. There is the option of and or. So, and all the titles having bank and nationalization, both the words will show up in the search. If you select or either of the words in the title, then it will show up. There's also the author search. It shows in tabular or bibliographical format. Let us search with the default settings. The moment you search with the default settings, you see that all the articles that have been published in the various journals are having bank and nationalization, both the words in the title show up here. There is the author's name, the year, the volume number, issue and page. You can select the articles you're interested in this manner, and they will be added to your list, which you can view by clicking on View My List. Let us go back to the search or save it as PDF, whatever is. For now, let us go back to the search. Now, this is how you can keep selecting and adding to your list, and this is how the journal search is done. Going to the news search by clicking on the orange tab. Once again, the keyword search is there. We can again put bank and nationalization. Once again, and or is your choice. Suppose I choose and nationalization. There is also the author search here, and there is also another item called News Nature, which is advertisements, articles, editorials, news items, book reviews. Then again, reporting how it's done. We select all the default settings and hit the button of search. All the articles having both bank and nationalization in the title in the 15 news dailies covered since 1990-91 show up here. There's the author's name, paper, date, whether it's a news item, article, and editorial shows under the column News Nature, and you can again select and put into your list. There is also another column of image. If you click on the image of the actual clipping is directly available in the scanned form here. which can be saved as image, or you can go up and select Zoom and read online. Once again, going back to the home page, we have covered the online index. Now we go to other research references, under which there is Union Budget speeches, Economic Survey review chapters, national policy documents, other important documents, Indian statistical indicators and international statistical indicators. Let us look at the Economic Survey review chapters. When we click on it, we see chronologically listed the chapters. We click on the latest, and the PDF form of that particular chapter is available for downloading or printing. Once again, we go back to our homepage. We can look at the national policy documents, where we have all these documents readily available at the click of a button. The full text is available right here. We look at some of the other important documents. Some rare documents like the Bombay Plan is also available here. We click on it. Once again, we have the whole document in PDF form, ready to be downloaded or printed. Similarly, we have the statistical indicators, Indian statistical indicators. We click, then subcategories of the different data that we're looking for. We click on one, agriculture, within that another set of categories. We click, and the data is available there, which can be copied into your Excel for your research. Same way, international statistical indicators are also available at the click of a button. So this was a very quick, short demonstration of the extremely user-friendly database that ISID is providing.